Good morning, children. Some more questions we can do as a practice only. So, the first question, if secant A equal to x plus 1 by 4x, then prove that sec theta plus tan theta equal to 2x or 1 by 2x only. So, sec value is given. It is asked that sec theta and tan theta value only. Sum of sec theta and tan theta value only asked, right? So, here sec and tan is connected with which formula? 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec theta. That is the second identity. So by using this one, we are finding what is a tan theta. Here a only I have used. So here I should change as it is tan A, sec A plus tan A it is, right? So here tan A is written as sec square A minus 1 only. Sec square A minus 1, how we got a 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So we are writing for tan only. So it will be tan square theta. Then tan means it's a root of that one. So we got this identity. Now we are substituting how means x plus 1 by 4x whole square only. What is x plus 1 by x? 1 by 4x whole square. It is a plus b whole square only. So it is a square plus 1 by 4x whole square plus 2 into x into 1 by 4x, right? So minus 1. Here we are doing this, all three terms are connected with this only. So here x square is there, we got x square. Now 1 by 4x whole square is there, 1 by 16x square. Now x and x will get cancelled. Now 2 and 4 became 1 by 2 only, right? So that is why x square plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 16x square minus 1 we got. Now what is the next step? Usually LCM. So LCM we have taken. So 16x raised to 4 plus 8x square plus 1 minus 16x square whole divided by 16x square only. What is next? Simplification only. So 16 plus 8x square and 16x square, no, x raised to 4 no change. So middle term you are having 2, 8x square and minus 16x square. So what is the answer? Minus 8x square. Then what is the remaining term? One more term is the plus 1. Again, what is we can write for here? If you consider this one, you know that it is the x square minus each term we are dividing with the 16 x square we will get here minus 8x square by 16x square minus 1 by 2 will get then 1 by 16x square, that is equal to x minus 4 by 1 by 4x whole square only. So first it was x plus 1 by 4x. Now we got a x minus 1 by 4x, but we have to take two value because it is a square roots we are taking. So plus x minus 1 by 4x also there, minus of x minus 1 by 4x also there. So we are substituting the values with the 1 plus, that is ck plus tan a plus value we have used. After the simplification you are getting 2x, then minus value we have used. So what is the answer? 1 by 2x we are getting. So what is the answer? What is the question for us? Sec a equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Now what is the answer for ck plus tan a? What is to be proved? It is equal to 2x plus 2x or 1 by 2x. So second identity we have used. Then from the tan square a we have formed the equation. So we have written it is for tan a only. Tan a means the root of sec square a minus 1. Now we are substituting sec square a only. So x plus 1 by x plus 1 by 4x the whole square we are using. So under the root only it is. So a plus b whole square formula we have used. After the simplification, what is the answer we are getting? We are getting the x minus 1 by 4x. When it is a plus, you are getting plus only. The same terms only you are getting there, x square plus 1 by 16x square minus 1 by 2. That is why it is changed to x minus 1 by 4x whole square only. Now after that we can take out the root. So it is equal to plus or minus x minus 1 by 4x. Now according to the question we have to find out what is the sum of secant a and tan a. So ck plus tan a equal to x plus 1 by 4x plus x minus 1 by 4x equal to 2x, and x plus 1 by 4x minus x plus 1 by 4x equal to 1 by 2x only. Next question. If 3 sin a plus 5 cos a equal to 5, find what is 3 cos a minus 5 sin a only. So here one is plus, another one is minus only. So all this type of the questions usually we can go for squaring on both the sides. So if you square, you will get right side 25, and this is in the form a plus b whole square. After the squaring, it will happen a plus b whole square only. So a plus b whole square, three terms will come. 3 sin a whole square a, that is 9 sin square a. 5 cos a whole square is 25 cos square a. Middle term 5 into 3 15 into 2, that is 30 sin a cos a equal to 25. Now we are what we are replacing. Sin square a is replacing as a 1 minus cos square a, and cos square a we are replacing as a 1 minus sin square a only. So again expanding the bracket. So 9 minus 9 cos square a and 25 minus 25 sin square a plus 30 sin a and cos a only. So what we can take common? Minus 9 we can take common here. Minus 9 cos square a. Okay. Here I have taken mistake. Okay. Nothing. 9 plus 25 we have written. 9 plus 25 we have written. Now what is the next step? Next step 25 also we have brought to this side, that is minus 25. So okay, 9 minus 20 plus 25, then minus 25. What are the remaining terms? Minus 9 cos square a plus 25 sin square a equal to plus 30 sin a. So what we have done here means here we have changed all the three terms to the other side. So only the numbers are on one side. So 25 and 25 will get cancelled. Now what is the remaining terms? 9 cos square a is there. 9 cos square a is there. Listen, some internet issues are there. Let me connect. Okay. 9 cos square a plus 25 sin a, 9 cos square a plus 25 sin square a minus 30 sin a cos a only. Now, what is the step here? We got a 9 on the right hand side. Now, here if you go for these three terms, it is a square plus b square minus 2ab only. So, what is the answer? That one 3 cos a minus sin a minus 5 sin a whole square equal to 9. So, what is 3 cos a minus 5 sin a? It is equal to plus or minus 3 only. So, it should be like this: 3 cos a minus 5 sin a equal to plus or minus 3. Here it is implication sign, right? So once again I'll repeat, so there is some error here. So here what happens? 9 minus 9 cos square a plus 25 minus 25 sin square a plus 30 sin a cos a. Only 25 we are bringing, minus 9 cos square a minus 25 cos sin square a plus 30 sin a we are taking to the right hand side, right? So we are getting we are getting all the terms right hand side, and if you check the right hand side terms in the form a minus b whole square, after the simplification we get a 9 only, so it can be written as 3 cos a minus 5 sin a whole square. That means 3 cos a minus 5 sin a equal to plus or minus 3 only. So find the value only, it is asked. Now what is the next question? Is sin a plus 2 cos a equal to 1? Prove that 2 sin a cos a equal to 2 only. So again the same rule, squaring on both the sides. So sin square a plus 4 cos square a plus 4 sin a cos a equal to 1 only. Now what is the next step? We have to bring 2 sin a cos a equal to 2 only. So 4 cos square a, 4 sin a cos a, we are keeping on one side. Then we are taking to this term to the other side. What is that value? 1 minus sin square a can be replaced as a cos square a only. Now 4 cos square a and cos square a. So it became 3 cos square a only. So 3 cos square a plus 4 sin a cos a equal to 0 only. So next what happens? We are writing what is 2 sin a minus cos a only. We don't know what is there. We are reaching up to here only, right? This first equation we are getting. This is the first part of the question. Hmm? Now what is the next step? What is to be proved? That we are taking 2 sin a cos a whole square we are doing and expanding the bracket. So what are the terms you are getting? 4 sin square a plus cos square a minus 4 sin a cos a only. Now 4 sin square a plus cos square a plus 3 cos square a we are getting. How we are getting that 3 cos square a and all? We can go for this first equation, right? So 3 cos square a means minus 4 sin a cos a only. So that is replaced here. Minus 4 sin a cos a is replaced. So total how many cos square we are having now? 4 cos square we are having now. So 4 into sin square a plus cos square a equal to 4. Now take out the root. 2 sin a plus 2 sin a minus cos a equal to 2 here written. Actually we should write a plus or minus 2 only, right? Okay. So in multiple choice questions, what are the value it is giving? According to that, you can write the answers only. So last question and this question, the same pattern only we are following. What is that? Squaring on the both side. But in this question, what happens? Somewhere we are stuck up. So what is the next question? We are doing the RHS and squaring and finding the values. Next question. If cos A by cos B is m and cos A by sin B equal to n, prove that m square plus n square into cos square B equal to n square only. Now this type of the questions, most of the time we are substituting the values only, nothing else. So what is the LHS? M square plus n square into cos square B. So we are substituting what is m and what is n and multiplied with the cos square B only. So what is m for us? Cos A by cos B. So since it is a square, it will be square terms, and also cos A by sin A whole square only, sin B. Therefore cos square A plus sin square B we are getting. And what is the next step? LCM. After here it comes like this, means we have to go for the LCM only. So cos square A should be multiplied with the sin square B, and cos square A is multiplied with the cos square B, then divided by cos square B into sin square B only, right? Now what is the next step? In these two questions, after taking the LCM, is which is common there? Cos square A is common, but we are getting in the bracket, you see sin square B and cos square B. The angles are same. So the identity is 1 only. So what happens here? Cos square A is coming, then sin square B is coming. What about cos square B? Cos square B get cancelled only. So here it is also equal to 1. So cos square A by sin square B is coming. That means cos A by sin B whole square. If you check that one, that value equal to n only. So it is equal to n square. So most of the time this type of the questions, what we have to do? We have to do for m by means a substitution and proceed like that, whatever it is there according to the question only. So m square plus n square cos square B is there. So m square n square is substituted and we have taken the LCM. This question I think we have done already, but one of the important questions only. Seek a plus tan a equal to p. Show that sin a equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Last class we have seen that we have written rationalizing form 1 by root 2 method we have brought. Now this time is a different method. P square minus 1 divided by p square plus 1 we are starting. What is p? We are substituting ck plus tan a whole square on both numerator and the denominator. After that a plus b whole square only. Now what is the next step? Means here sec square a minus 1 will come, and here sec square a plus 1 will plus 1 will come. Here also plus 1 is coming. So sec square a plus 1 we will not get. What is the identity we are having? 1 plus tan square a equal to sec square a only. So either you should get 1 plus tan square a, or you should get, or we should get a sec square a minus 1 equal to tan square a, right? So these two applications only coming, same identity only. So if the numerator, if you check, it will be sec square a minus 1 form, right? But denominator we are having taking means sec square a plus 1 will come. So we are grouping tan square a plus 1. Understood. So what happened here, instead of these two terms, a tan square a will come. Instead of these two terms, a sec square a will come. So here 2 times tan square a. So we are getting 2 tan square a. Other terms no change, only 2 tan a sec. Here also 2 sec square a is there, 2 tan a sec. We cannot cancel now. You already know that one, because in between addition sign is there. So what we should do? We should take the common. So 2 already cancel. Now what is common here? Tan a. Bracket also you will get the same, only tan a plus ck in the numerator as well as in the denominator, tan a plus ck only. So what is remaining here? Tan a by ck is remaining. What is tan a? Sin a by cos. 1 by cos a. So finally, what is the answer? We are getting sin A. That is our LHS. So actually, it is asked that to find a sin A equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1 only. But here what we are doing? We are starting with the RHS and proving that it is equal to LHS only. Okay. This is also same type of the questions only. X equal to a cos theta, y equal to b cot theta. Show that a square by x square minus b square by y square equal to 1 only. So we are substituting what is x square and a y square. What is x square? A square cos theta. What is y square? B square cot square theta. Now we are cancelling a square here. We are cancelling b square here. So what is remaining? 1 by cos square theta minus sine square theta. Since the denominator are same, what we can write there? 1 minus sine square theta divided by cos square theta only. What is 1 minus sine square theta? It is equal to cos square theta, and denominator also we are having cos square theta, so it will get cancelled and it is equal to 1 only. Okay. Next, same rule. X equal to a sine theta b cos plus b cos theta, y equal to a cos theta minus b sine theta. Prove that x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. Again, substitution and expanding. Since it is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, middle term will get cancelled. So what is that term there? A square into sine square theta plus cos square theta plus b square into cos square theta plus sine square theta. So what is a sine square plus cos square theta? It is 1 only. Cos square theta plus sine square theta, that is also equal to 1. So what is remaining there? A square plus b square. So what is the final answer? X square plus y square equal to a square plus b square only. Okay. If sine A plus sine square A plus sine cube A equal to 1, then find the value of cos raised to 6A minus 4 cos raised to 4A plus 8 cos square A only. Sine A plus sine square A plus sine cube A equal to 1. Why find the value means it is all in terms of cos only. Understood? So what we are having here, sine A is the sine square A is the sine cube A is there. So in this sine square A, if you are connecting with 1, we can replace that as a cos square A only. So these two terms we are grouping. Which one? Sine and sine cube A we are grouping. So from that, sine A is a common we are taken. So 1 plus sine square A will come. And this sine square A we are taking to the RHS. So 1 minus sine square A is there. Next time what we are written there, 1 minus sine square A we have changed as a cos square A only. And now what is the next step? Here you may get confused. Sine A bracket 2 minus cos square A is written. How we are getting that 2 minus cos square A? We have to change sine square A as 1 minus cos square A. That is why we got here sine A into 2 minus cos square A. Now what is the next step? Expand the bracket only. So but here we are doing squaring first. After the squaring, we can go for the expansion. So sine square A became Again sine should be removed. So till you will get sine square a, we cannot substitute 1 minus cos square a, right? So squaring on both the sides we have done. Sine a became sine square a, and 2 minus cos square a became a minus b whole square form. Expansion happened. This side it is cos raised to 4a only. Now we have changed again. Instead of sine square a, what we should write? 1 minus cos square a. The purpose is all the terms we should get in cos square only. So that is the thing, and the pattern I cannot tell here. So we have changed here sine square a as a 1 minus cos square a, and expand the bracket like this. So each term multiplied with 1, then multiplied with a minus cos square a. Next, your right side is cos raised to 4a only. So if you go for the 4 kept here, and the remaining terms you can take to the RHS. If you simplify, you will get the same question here. What is the same question? Cos raised to 6a minus 4 cos raised to 4a plus 8 cos raised to 2a only. That means cos square a only. So some simplification happened here. Other than that, everything is okay only. So 5 cos raised to 4 and cos raised to 4 is in the simplification, right? The nothing else, all the remaining terms as it is only, right? So when we are taking minus plus 5 cos raised to 4a, it became minus 4 only. So that is why minus 4 came here. Minus 5 plus 1 here. So minus 4 only. Only that is a simplification. So here you have to remember that which term you have to group. Sin a plus sin cube, and sin square a we are taking to that side. The purpose is cos square only. But left side still you are having a sin a. So that should be sine square. Then only we can make it in convert into cos square only. So squaring on the both the sides we are doing. Okay, this is a different question. I think I have not attempted. If sine a plus sine square a equal to 1, find the value of cos raised to 12a plus 3 cos raised to 10a plus 3 cos raised to 8a plus cos raised to 6a plus 2 cos raised to 4a plus 2 cos square a minus 2 only. So find the value only. It may take time only. It is not that much a easy question also. So what we are doing, sine a, what is given we are taking down. Sine a equal to 1 minus sine square a. According to the question, sine a equal to cos square a. So wherever you are getting sine a, you can substitute cos square a only. So now we are taking down the question only. What is the question we are having? Cos raised to 12a plus 3 cos raised to 10a plus 3 cos raised to 8a plus cos raised to 6a plus 2 cos raised to 4a plus 2 cos square a minus 2 only. Now here what happened means, here you know that this 12 and up to here, this four terms we are considering first. How we can write a cos raised to 4a whole cube? That means a cube form we are writing. 12 we are writing a cube form, and 6 we are writing 2 cube, that is b cube. So these two terms are in the place of a cube, and here b cube only. Understood? So when you know that a plus b whole cube, you know the formula how you can write a cube, and the last term is b cube only. Understood? But middle how you'll write? 3 we will write, and the decreasing power of a. A square is decreased, so b will come there for making the sum 3. And again one more a will be decreased, so 3a b square only. Right? So like that we know that. So 10 how we can write? 10 how we can write means, already we know that the cos raised to 4a whole cube is there. That means power is 12. So here we are writing as a cos raised to 8a. Then cos square a only we are writing. So how we are getting? It is a square only we want, isn't it? What is a for us? Cos raised to 4. What is a? A is cos raised to 4a. So just if you squaring, cos raised to 4a whole square became cos raised to 8a, right? Now what is the remaining term? Cos square a only. Then only 10 will come. Exponents rule, you know that 8 plus 2, right? So 8 we should get. How we should get means a square form we should get. So 3 cos raised to 8 we got. So we are writing this one. Now what is the next term? You tell me. 3a should come. A means what? Already we decided a is cos raised to 4a. So 3 cos raised to 4a into cos raised to 4a. Then cross check. It is the sum of cos raised to 8a only. Now cos raised to 6a can be written as, already we told, cos square a whole cube only. Now the remaining two terms, no problem. 2 cos raised to 4a plus 2 cos square a minus 2 only. Again what is the step for these four? First, we will decide that part only. It is a plus b whole cube only. So, what is our a? Cos raised to 4a plus cos square a whole cube. Then plus 2. Cos raised to 4 can be written as cos square a whole square plus 2 cos square a minus 2 only. If you are writing that one, cos square a can be replaced with the sin a, right? Again, one more square is there, so it became sine square a. So that is why 2 sine square a cos square a plus 2 cos square a is coming. Again, 2 can be taken common. So 2 into sine square a plus cos square a, that is equal to 1 only. So after the simplification, again you will get a 1 plus 2 minus 2 equal to 1 only. Once again, I'll explain. You may get confused with this question. Okay. So what is given in the question already? Already it is given that sine A plus sine square A equal to 1 only. From there, what we are writing? We are writing what is sine A. Sine A equal to cos square A. This is the first part. Now, what is the next part? We should decide what is A plus B whole cube. What is the formula we are writing? A cube plus B cube, no, sorry, 3A square B plus 3AB square plus b cube. So first four terms we will speak. Now a we have already decided that cos raised to 4a whole cube only. B also we have decided. What is b? The cos raised to 2a whole cube. Right? Now we got the a and the b. So what is the next term? 3a square. So 3 into cos raised to 4a whole square. What is b? Cos square a. Now plus 3ab square. So 3 into cos raised to 4a into cos square a whole square plus cos square a whole cube. I'll rub this also. Tell me here what I should write, a cos square a whole square. Now come to and tell me that one. See, a cube is cos raised to 4a whole cube. So what is a inside the bracket? What is the term there? So it is cos raised to 4a only. What is b? Cos raised to 2a. That means cos square a whole cube only. So we got a here and we got b here. Now what it should be this term? 3a square b only. 3 into cos raised to 4a whole square into cos square a. Now 3ab square, how we can write? 3 into cos raised to 4a into cos square a whole square only. So once if you know the formula and also you know the a and b terms, you can avoid the confusion. Now what happened here? If you cross check, cos raised to 4a whole cube will be cos raised to 12a only. 3 already there. Okay. Now cos raised to 4a whole square is cos raised to 8 and cos square is there. 8 plus 2, 10. Right? Now cos raised to 4a is there. Now here what is the step? Cos square a whole square. So 2 plus 2, 4 only. So 4 plus 4, 8 here. Then cos square a whole cube is there. So all the terms you got like this only. So here we can understand what we are written. So all these four terms, what we can write? Cos raised to 4a plus sine square a whole cube only. Cos raised to 4a plus cos square a plus cos square a plus whole cube only. Now how it is reached 1 cube here? Cos raised to 4a. Listen all of you. Cos raised to 4a is cos square a whole square plus cos square a whole cube. How I got here cos square a whole square? Because it's a power 4 only. But according to this one, what is cos square a? It is sine a only, right? So I can replace this as a sine a whole square. That is why here 1 cube we got. Okay. Similar way here also. What is the step here? 2 cos raised to 4a, 2 cos square a is there. Minus 2, there is no problem till the end it is going on. Now cos raised to 4a and cos square a. What is the concept we are having? Cos square a whole square only. right? 2 cos square a whole square means cos square a, again we are replaced with which one? 2 into sine square a, means sine a only, sine a to be squared, that is why 2 sine square I am writing. So 2 sine square a plus 2 cos square a we are getting. So what is the common there? 2 is the common. So 2 sine square a cos square a we are getting. So 2 into 1. So 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 2 only. So what is the answer here? 1 is the answer. Okay. 1 plus sine square theta equal to 3 sine theta cos theta, and prove that tan theta equal to 1 or 1 by 2 only. Same rule everything, because here also some value is given, we have to go for tan theta only. So but left hand side what is given condition, there is no tan. So we are dividing the terms with the cos. So what happened here, 1 plus sine square theta is divided with the cos, and here also cos only. So here 1 plus sine square theta by cos square theta, we should divide with the cos square theta. Okay, 1 plus sine square theta by cos square theta, it is equal to 3 tan theta only. Again, what is that the next step? 1 by cos square theta, then sine square by 3 sine square, sorry, sine square theta by cos square theta equal to 3 tan theta. Otherwise, what will happen? Just 1 cos theta only, what you have taken, 3 sine theta cos theta will be divided by cos theta only. So it will get cancelled, nothing will get. Again, one more time, we have to go for cos theta only. That is why directly cos square theta is taken here. So 1 by cos square theta can be written as sec square theta. Sin square theta by cos square theta can be written as tan square theta. And the right hand side 3 tan theta. So somewhat we are going to reach the similarity between the proving part. Now what is to be eliminated? Sec is not there. All the terms we want in tan only. So sec square theta is replaced with the tan square theta only. So sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. Again, we can go for the quadratic method only. So tan square theta is added. 2 tan square theta we got. 3 tan theta we brought to this side, minus 3 tan theta we got, plus 1 only. So if you are having confusion with this tan theta, put x equal to tan theta. So it will be 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 only. So tan theta to be solved by the quadratic method. So what is the next step? By our quadratic formula, you will get the two values. Now, next question usually I have not seen in the papers, but last class I have seen. That is why just I'll explain. Nothing to worry about this one, because it's a level of difficulty is different only. I think tan square theta equal to 1 minus e square. Then find what is sec theta plus tan cube theta cosec theta only. So tan square theta is already given. What is that one? 1 minus e square. Now, what is the what is to be find out? What is sec theta plus tan cube into cosec theta? So we are writing that sec theta, uh, clearly written, sec theta plus sine cube theta by cos cube theta into 1 minus sine theta only. So what happened here? When we are writing sec theta plus sine cube theta divided by cos cube theta into 1 minus sine theta, right? So one sine will get cancelled. Okay, so what is here remaining? Sine square theta, but it is 3 only now. This 3 can be written as cos square theta into cos theta. So that is why tan square theta plus sec theta we are getting. Again, what is the next step? Sec theta is common, 1 plus tan square theta only. Now, what is to be replaced? Sec theta is replaced because it's a root only, 1 plus tan square theta. Again, without root, 1 plus tan square theta is there. So with root means what is the power? Tan square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta equal to 1 by 2, and 1 plus tan square theta is here, the 1 only. So 1 and 1 by 2 will be added by the exponents rule, so it will be equal to 3 by 2. Now what is the next step? We should substitute what is tan square theta. Tan square theta substituted as 1 minus e square, so you will get the answer 2 minus e square whole raised to 3 by 2. I not seen this type of the question. I just want to show that MCQ pattern only. Time is very less. So like that it can be asked. So just a minute. Okay. I'll just go fast because only 2-3 minutes left. B tan theta equal to A. What is the value of A sin theta B cos theta by A sin theta plus B cos theta only? You can try also. Tan theta should be calculated. and then we have to substitute. And this type of the questions, what we should do, we are dividing by cos on both the sides, and we can substitute. We done this questions. You last class you have asked that how the MCQ pattern will become, like that only we are expecting. B tan theta equal to a, then find the value of this one, that is the value equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square. So tan theta we have calculated, and we have divided with the cos theta on both the side, numerator and the denominator. So the equation became a tan theta minus b by a tan theta plus b. After substitution and simplification, you will get the answer. If x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sine theta cos theta, and x sine theta equal to y cos theta, find x square plus y square equal to. We have done this type of the sums. Find the x square and y square means a substitute only. Otherwise, from here, what is x, what is y, we can find out. Again, you can go for step is there. After the simplification, you will get it is equal to 1 only. So I think the same question we had done in the last, I think already the class only. Sine theta plus sine square theta plus sine cube theta equal to 1. Then find the value of cos square 6 theta minus 4 cos raised to 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta. It is equal to 4 only, because we already done. You can go through the steps also. I'll show the steps. Now the last slide I'll show the which one, the questions from the board papers. These are the board papers questions. Just time is less, that is why I'm showing like this. So she go through that one, take the pick of that one, and I think before exam you will not get any other classes, so practice these questions. So with this today's class I'm winding up. Thank you.